Welcome to another GaugeMaster Pro tutorial video. My name is Juan Colomina and I am the founder and creator of the GaugeMaster apps. In this video, we will review one of the key features on the latest iPad and Mac apps update: exporting GaugeMaster files to the new GaugeMaster Pro web app format. We will be looking at how this conversion process works on both the iPad and the Mac GaugeMaster apps, as there are slight differences between each app. An important detail about this GaugeMaster Pro conversion feature is that it will not affect your current GaugeMaster files in any way, as it will create new files in the new format. If you plan on converting any files to the new GaugeMaster Pro format, please have a look at the Frequently Asked Questions webpage, as there are some differences on what features each app supports. The link to the FAQs is provided in the description below. There are two ways to export GaugeMaster files into the GaugeMaster Pro format. We can convert the currently open Gauge file, or we can convert multiple files at once. We will look at both processes. We'll start looking at the iPad's app conversion process. On the iPad GaugeMaster app, you can convert the currently open Gauge by tapping on Export and selecting the GMPro option. A dialog will appear, providing a quick link to the mentioned FAQs. Once we clear the dialog, we will be given the option to share this with the classic iPad Share panel. Your best option is to probably select Save to Files and choose the destination folder where you want to save the converted file. If you need to convert multiple GaugeMaster files at once, you must go to the file browser by pressing on Documents. Once in the file browser, activate the Select option. Select all the files you need to convert and choose the Convert to GMPro option at the top. The same FAQs dialog will appear, so clear that. After a few seconds converting the files, the Share panel will appear as before. Choose the destination folder and all the new converted files will appear there. Now we will look at the Mac's app conversion process. On the Mac GaugeMaster app, to convert the currently open Gauge is pretty much the same as on the iPad. Just select the GMPro option from the Export As menu. Clear the FAQs dialog as before and a file browser window will appear. Select the destination folder and click on Save to complete the conversion. To convert multiple gauges at once on the Mac, make sure you have at least one Gauge window open, as it is required to access the conversion menu option. Otherwise, it will show as disabled. Now select the Convert GM Files to GMPro option from the File menu. Clear once again the FAQs dialog and a file browser window will appear where you can select all the files to convert. Once selected, click on Open to start the conversion process. When the files have completed converting internally, which could take a few seconds depending on the number of files, a new file browser will appear. Select now the destination folder and click on the Copy button. The new converted files will be saved into the chosen folder. If you have any trouble converting your files, please make sure to reach out in the comments below or through the GaugeMaster Pro website. See you in the next video.